First, we line up the speaker bracket to the single gang box. Put that on there. Make sure it's aligned fine. Couple twists. And you take the gun. Tighten it up. We then attach the wire to the speaker bracket. And then we hide the wire that way. I take from this side and then go to the next step. You then take the bracket and align the bracket with the L's facing up to the inside. Lock it in, snap it down. Take the safety screw and add it to the top down. To secure it in place. You then select your tap at what you want your speaker to go to. In this case, we have it set there, and the pins line up with the bracket, making the contact point. There, you're finished. So if you're going to change position of the bracket, you could also mount it vertically or horizontally. You loosen up the bracket here, tighten it or untighten it, and it'll turn left, right, go up or down. Position it where you want it to be. In this case, we want it here. Lock it into place. Done. Fast.